Welcome to the River House. We're gonna show you how we're gonna totally transform this place from start to finish. We're gonna do faux rock, we're gonna do log siding, we're gonna do dormers coming out to see this view. Check out the river that we're gonna see from our new River House. This is gonna be such a fun project. Stay with us on this totally awesome journey from old cinder block to fancy log lodge. Let's get started. Without sacrificing any design elements, we saved thousands of dollars using Stone Coat epoxy products on this project. Join us this season on Stone Coat Countertops on how to remodel like a pro. We're going to teach you every pro tip and trick of how to save thousands, design, and change the way that you think about remodeling. This very special project is dedicated to my mom and dad. They love the transformation, and we can't wait to show you what we did.
Mike, thumbs up. This is perfect. Thank you.
I teamed up with my friends, my family, some of my favorite local craftsmen to tackle a laundry list of remodel projects, including countertops, shower panels, river tables, furniture pieces, and more. We did hearths. We even remodeled a fireplace, creating rocks from concrete. We're going to show you how to mold local river rocks so that it's authentic in every space. We're going to teach you everything from templating to the finish work. We used foam to create shower panels that are indestructible. If you're looking for step-by-step tutorials that really change the way that you build and create, that teach you how to do things professionally on a budget, you found the right place. Stone Coat Countertops believe in empowering the do-it-yourselfer to get things done. I'm passionate about remodeling, about taking old spaces and making them functional, beautiful, and fitting into the natural environment. We had so much fun thinking of my mom while we built the shower, while we built the kitchen, knowing that each and every detail would make a difference as she used her space every day. From the bottom of our heart, we put everything into this remodel to make it functional, usable, and beautiful. We saved thousands of dollars tackling on the sweat equity by rolling up our sleeves and spraying and coating and prepping and masking. And we're gonna show you on our channel everything it takes to make a cinder block home a work of art. We added so much value to this home, and I can't wait for you to see each and every project. We have worked tirelessly to bring you the tutorials to show you everything it takes to transform any space. I love working with my sons when we created these countertops. They had a blast filming and pouring and learning the tricks of the trade. We did exotic pours and used our recipe and let it run wild. We let our imagination not block our creativity. We had so much fun going live and teaching how we created the kitchen countertops from start to finish on a single live video. We decided to use river pebbles to create a shower pan. Can you believe how beautiful that came out? I also was training different folks from Stone Coat Countertops on river table building. A dear friend of mine on the Stone Coat Countertop Insiders group took a boulder and transformed it into a vanity sink. Can you believe a rock turned into a functional sink? My mom absolutely loves this sink and doesn't want to spit her toothpaste in it. It came out beautiful and goes with the live edge of our vanity and our shower panels. Here's the rocks that we went down to the river and collected so that we could replicate them to be utilized on the chimney and the veneer and the foundation work so that this log home lives up to the beautiful surroundings of the wild and scenic Rogue River. My good friend Paul from Paul's Toolbox and my friends Rhonda and Kenny from RK3 Designs made the journey to help me wrap up some of the final details on this passion project. Be sure to subscribe to Stone Coat Countertops. Ring the bell so that you get notified when our tutorial videos come out, each and every one of them. What do you want to see first? Do you want to see the shower panels, the countertops, maybe the window sills, or how we did the rock work? What are you most interested in, and what project are you going to tackle next? on your own remodel project. We've solved the biggest challenges in construction: how to finish with beautiful looks on a budget. These cost $5 a square foot to build these end table caps, the countertops, the window sills. It is extremely affordable to make things look like high-end, exotic natural stone. If you could dream it, you can do it. Imagination is your only limitation. You can do sinks wherever you please: undermount, top mount, farmhouse sinks. One of my most favorite things to do is look at a high-end magazine of a remodel and match it by saving thousands with these techniques that we teach right here on this YouTube channel. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on what you think of this transformation of an old cinder block house into a work of wonder. My brother and his son built the rocks from scratch using concrete and the mold that we created. We use spray paint to color them. Can you believe it? How real do they look? We've discovered multiple ways to save thousands with the same mold making techniques coming soon. We were also showcased on Designing Spaces, a TV show on Lifetime. They loved what we were doing, and they showcased one of our vanities that we created for this project to teach folks how to remodel in a weekend, how to take a vanity from wood and make it look like marble. We even did fracturing and exotic pour on it so that any do-it-yourselfer can get it done right. I introduced some local craftsmen to the wide world of epoxy.
So you used the epoxy the other day?
Yep.
The first time? How'd it go? What do you think?
First time it was a little scary at first, but it went fantastic. Way simpler than I thought it was going to be. Easy to work with.
It's amazing. I enjoyed doing it. I'm sad that it's over, but sort of relieved because now I can rest a little bit before the next one.
We wanted each and every design element to be beautiful, yet functional, durable, waterproof. We needed the grandkids to be able to sit and stand and play on everything, but hold up to look brand new for years to come. We used our ultimate top coat that gives it that natural shine and exceptional durability.
I'm Jeff, Blue Sky Contracting here, and this project was great to work with Mike. The epoxy that he uses was real easy to work with. I couldn't ask for a better project. So if you were to do the epoxy at home as a starter, you got this. It was easy.
I truly want to thank everybody who helped us from start to finish make this dream come true. It's been a dream of my mother's since I was a child to have a log home, and I'm blessed to be able to give the keys to my mom and dad.
Oh my gosh, you take me.
Come on.
Oh my goodness, what a difference. Look at these, oh my gosh. My dad would be so proud.
Yeah.
Don't miss the next video from Stonecoat Countertops, and remember, you got this. Here we go.